dance to wall, improver to intermediate level line dance. Starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Right Dorothy steps to right diagonal. Right foot forward. Lock step left behind, step right to right side. Heel switches. Left heel forward, together. Right heel forward, together. Left Dorothy steps to left diagonal. Forward, lock, side step left. Step right forward. Pivot half turn left, weight onto left foot, facing 6. Section 2, make a quarter left turn. Come right to right side, facing 3. Behind side. Left foot behind. Right foot to right side on ball of right foot. Left foot cross, shuffle. Right side rock, recover. Behind side touch. Section 3. Step right to right side. Touch left next to right. Make a quarter left turn, stepping for a left foot facing 12. Half turn left, stepping back on right, facing 6. Left coaster step. Step right forward. Left shuffle forward on left, right, left. Section 4. Right foot forward, recover. Right coaster step. Back together forward. Step left forward. Pivot half turn right, weight onto right foot facing 12. Another half turn right, stepping left next to right. Hands out to the side and click fingers. Let's do the counts. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there's a restart on wall 8 after 24 counts. I'm facing 12 now. Wall 8, start facing the 6 o'clock wall. 24 counts. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here's the 24 counts. Restart the dance facing the 12 o'clock wall.